So I had the best idea, and I'm going to try something that I have not tried in a while with a split cup. I have 7 slots in this split cup. Let me go through my colors. Violet, fluorescent red, light blue permanent, yellow deep, fluorescent orange, fluorescent yellow, titanium white. Okay, I'm ready. Hi. Okay, so let me go ahead and I'm going to start layering these accordingly because I want there to be a nice blend of colors. So remember, the paints that I put in here first are going to be the last ones to show on the canvas or in the middle of the canvas. Okay, now I'm just going to use a little bit of the white. Okay, one there. A little bit there. A little bit of white goes quite a long way. Guess that should be good. Alright, next, yellow. Okay, and I'm going to put those in the opposite, or should I say the slots next to the white, so that we get a nice little blend. And I've attempted this once before, and it didn't turn out like I wanted it to, so right now I'm correcting my mistakes. Alright. Okay. Yellow's in 4 slots. Alright, fluorescent orange. Only the most badass color in the world. A lot of people don't like orange, and I just can't say that I fully understand that. Orange is awesome. Of course, it depends on the orange. Okay, and we'll do one in this slot right there. Slot. Guess we can call them slots, right? That should be okay. Get a little bit more right there. How's everybody doing today? Everybody good? So yeah, it is 11 p.m. on a Sunday. This is about the time where my creativity really just comes out. Usually I'll go to bed and then sitting there laying in bed just thinking about colors and whatever else, and let's put some right there smack in the middle. Oh, I hope this does not turn into a big mess. I mean, it's going to be messy. It's fluid art. Of course it's going to be messy. Alright, blue. I'm going to use a good amount of blue because this blue, I think it tends to disappear a little bit. Must be pretty dense. Can you all see right there what I'm doing? Yep, you can see. And if you can't, you just let me know. And actually, do a little bit of blue in here as well. Doesn't have to be exact. I just want the colors to gradually blend. All right. Fluorescent red. Actually, wait, hold on. Let me get a little bit more blue. I said I wanted a lot of blue, so I'm going to do a lot of blue. Really cool. That's a cute amount of blue. And shit. Got that. All right, all the way. Let's go. wonder what's going to happen with this one. Any ideas? I might fast forward through this part of the video because this is tedious and I don't want to bore anybody. I do not want to bore you. Nobody likes being bored. See if I can get a little bit more of that red out. I don't think I've seen anybody else do a split cup like this. I'm sure people have. But this is my twist. Not a typical split cup. Alright, finally I'm going to top these off with the violet, which is also going to be my base coat. Almost there. Almost there. How messy does that look? Alright, so let's get this out of the way for now. And I'm going to put my 18 by 18 inch canvas right here that I obviously painted over a painting that was disgusting. It happens. Alright, so this is what we're going to do first. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and first of all, let me get the corners so that way during the painting I don't have to worry about those. Okay, corner, corner, corner. Okay, now that I got my corners, and I'm already making a giant mess, which I'm fine with. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to layer my base paint down. I wanted to make sure that I had more than enough paint so I could have a lot of wiggle room for spreading. My mix is actually pretty thick. Every paint is 1 part paint and 2 parts Floetrol. And the ones like this color right here, the light blue permanent, I thinned this one out with water because it was thicker than the others, just to match the consistency. Now for the fun but hard part. This is challenging to me because I have to hold my shoulder really still while doing this. But let's hope that it pays off. Alright. And I'm going to go straight in the center. Now the closer I pour onto the canvas, the more fine my lines are going to be, and vice versa. If you pour further away, there's more impact from the split cup to the canvas, and that tends to blend the colors, which could also be really pretty, but for this one I want some fine lines. Let's see if I can do it. Do y'all think I could do it? I don't know. I just don't know. We're about to find out. So far I think I'm doing it. And my shoulder is getting tired. Right now, for the fun part, I've got a nice little blend here going from white to the yellows and the oranges, but we're not going to really tell until we spread. So let's do that. Okay. Looks like a comet. Okay, which way should I go? Yeah, I think I got enough paint. I'm loving that blue and fluorescent red together. Pretty cool. Actually, I'm gonna turn this that way so you guys can see. Wow. Now that is cool. That is cool. I'm not mad about it. Not mad about it. Let's keep tilting. Do y'all think I should leave negative space? I don't know. Come on, you bitch, move. Well, of course, I think the paint's mad at me because I mix it too thick, but that's how I wanted it. Okay. Well, that's definitely something. All right. I think, let me see here. What do y'all think of this white here? I think maybe just a little bit less of the white, just a scotch less. Alright, I'm not mad about it. Very cool. Alright, what else should I do? Should I do anything else or should I just leave it? I need to think. Okay, I'm done thinking, and I have come to the conclusion that I'm not going to tilt anymore because I like it as is. And I always say that if you like a painting as is, why risk messing it up even more? So, I really love this part here. Love these fine, like blue and fluorescent red lines. I do like how the colors blend, going from white all the way up. I'd say I would love to do this again sometime. We should do it again sometime, and I probably will. Alright guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please don't hesitate to leave it in the comments section. Until next time, bye!